Before installing the TOPGREENER TGDDS Dual Dimmer Switch, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker. If you're not confident working with electrical wiring, consult a licensed electrician. Refer to the user manual for safety guidelines and required tools. To begin, remove the wall plate and unscrew the existing switch. Use a non-contact tester to confirm that there is no voltage. Carefully disconnect the wires and label them if you need to. Hot, load 1, load 2, and ground. This dimmer does not require a neutral wire. The TGDDS Dual Dimmer is specifically designed for two separate lighting loads. You must have both load wires and a hot wire present in your wall box for proper installation. Now let's wire the new dual dimmer switch. On the back of the device, you'll see 4 terminals: hot, load 1, load 2, and G for ground. Start by connecting the hot wire to the terminal marked hot. Then, connect the first lighting circuit to load 1 and the second circuit to load 2. Finish by connecting the ground wire to the G terminal. Use only number 14 to number 12 AWG copper conductors rated for 75 degrees Celsius. Note that each channel supports up to 200 watts for LED or 300 watts for incandescent. Make sure you're using dimmable bulbs. Once the wires are securely connected, mount the dimmer flush to the wall, tighten the screws, reinstall the wall plate, and head back to the breaker to restore power. Now let's test the switch. Each slider controls one lighting zone. Slide up to brighten the lights and slide down to dim. When you reach the bottom, you'll feel a slight click, which means the lights are completely off. Both lighting zones can be dimmed or turned off independently. With the TGDDS Dual Dimmer Switch, you get smooth, precise dimming control for 2 different areas, all from a single streamlined device.